Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and this is my channel, Braiman Home. I have a vintage booth in Upstate New York called Braiman Home, and in today's video, I'm gonna take you guys along with me to go sourcing for my booth. I'm gonna meet my mom and my stepdad. My daughter, Brielle, is here with me today, and we are gonna go sourcing. We are gonna stop at a flea market first, then there's an antique mall, and then a barn sale that I really wanna go to. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and see what we can find today. Let's go. It's a little emptier today. Probably it's getting colder.
I got 25 on it.
Second time
talking to you? Very playable. Going 25. Hey. The buck in the case.
For Christmas. It's really pretty.
I love Clydesdales.
1980?
Those wooden crates are nice. So normally this is completely filled up. There's tents everywhere. I think it's just getting a little bit too cold. 'Tis the season. I think there's some vendors under those shelters there, the pole barns, and then there also might be some people over there. So we'll see what we can find. Which frame? Oh, right over here. That is nice. I like this.
That looks like an Ashley.
Oh, I think you're right. Can you imagine like florals displayed in there?
Yeah.
That would look nice. I've been looking for an antique ski like this. You're thirsty? Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is interesting.
I used to own some of those.
We're at our next stop here, Crossroads Country Mall Antiques. It was an old church. I don't know if you got to hear. All right, let's see. You're cold. It's warm in here, honey. Here we are. That's beautiful. Oh, look at the duck.
I know.
How much is the duck? It's a really good dinner. Nice. Oh, look at this kind of stuff. Everything is 75% off over here. That's interesting. I don't even know what these are. Just decorative plates, maybe? But they're really neat. There's two of them. I think I like this one better. It's really neat. I would love to make like a wall of old photos in the shop. This little jewelry box. That's what it is. How neat is that? That's pretty cool. Yeah, we'll put them up there. It's beautiful. Oh, I love this tapestry. That would be be perfect at our river cottage. Some are priced really well, some of the booths, but others are just a little too high for resale. Oh, I love this. Maybe a whole piece of pottery. I love the shelf here. I don't think it's for sale, but that would be a good display. Oh, that's neat. It's pretty artwork. I like the frame, the rustic frame. Oh, it's a pretty mirror. Nice. They're real paintings. Beautiful. Those are beautiful. Oh, those are cool, Brielle. How beautiful. Blue, your favorite color? Alessi's favorite color? Oh, that's beautiful. How much is that one?
$40.
That's really unique. I've never seen anything like that. Very cool. They have a lot of wood in here. Unique wood pieces. I am a sucker for pottery. I just love the way it looks. Very natural. This is unique. I like that. I feel like pottery can really fit in any home too. Bowls are interesting. Let's see. They have a lower. That's a really cool table. Do you like that? Look how beautiful this vase is. Hand painted. Oh yeah, that is nice. I love this piece right here. I love this lamp. And it plugs in. Huh. What? I like this picture. It's on like a linen canvas material. That's interesting. Yes. Yeah, you have a t-shirt on under there. Yeah. Oh, I love that.
Beautiful. Heavy.
It is heavy. I don't know what this would be for. All the way open. That is really neat. I love that. I don't even think there's a price on it. Oh, I love those. And plaster. Steep, steep stairs. Brielle's gonna do the safe approach. Very good, honey. Take your time. Interesting piece. It's a box. Just open it up. Oh, that's cool. It's like made out of leather. Beautiful. It's heavy. Oh, it's like a rock. Oh, I love that. Switzerland. Hang on, I'm looking at these bells. Oh my gosh, there's so many. What a beautiful display though. All right, we're at our next stop. It's a barn sale. It's right here in this building. Excited. We're going to see what we can find. Beautiful property. This is like my dream, to have my house over here, have a barn here where I could have like events for Braiman Home. This is exactly what I picture. What? The sun feels good though. Right here. Here we go. So pretty.
You cold? You are.
Caribou. So many sheds. That's incredible. So many deer. Wow. I love this picture of the pheasant. I wish it didn't have the pink surround.
Look at the fly.
That's pretty. Oh, I love that. There's a little water damage up there, so I'm not gonna do that.
Wait, you were also for the day.
Okay, we are back from our sourcing trip, and today was probably one of my favorite sourcing trips we've been on in a very long time. Our first stop was that flea market, which it's completely packed there during the summer months, but I understand it's getting colder. We're approaching the end of October, so it was 35 this morning. It was probably warmed up to 38 when we got there, so completely understand why vendors wouldn't want to go out there. But I did end up going under one of the pole barns, and there was this woman. I adored her. She was amazing. She had a ton of different like clay potteries on her table, and I just loved so many of them. She was so sweet. She gave my daughter a bracelet, and I just wanted to support her. I really just loved her. So I bought about 6 clay pieces from her, and they are beautiful. I cannot wait to put them in the shop. Then we left there and we went to the antique mall. I have never been to that antique mall, but I will say it's going to be like on the top of my list. I will be going back there very often. They were very welcoming. There was so much to look at. It was just so exciting and fun, and the pricing was so affordable, and it was great. So I'm definitely gonna go back there again. I might do a separate trip with just going there and really take my time and browse through, because they just had so many unique pieces. I'd love to really take my time, dig around, and see what they have. So that will definitely be a place I will be going to again. And then our third stop was that barn sale, which I wouldn't really consider it a barn, but there were some really interesting pieces there. There was this art piece of a horse with like this detailed wood frame on it. It was stunning. I knew I had to have it. The woman gave it to me for free. She was practically like giving things away, and I could not believe she gave that to me. And she even had the backstory on the art piece. She knew the artist. The artist lived till she was 98 years old. She was teaching art classes until she was 95, and she was just a brilliant woman. And it just felt so empowering and so exciting, and I love the property. I felt connected to that property, and I'm like, this is a sign. I'm gonna keep that for myself. I love when you can find a piece for your home and you look at it and it like brings you a feeling. I feel like that's an art piece that I'm gonna have forever, and every time I look at it, I'm going to think of that artist who was just passionate about what she did. She did it until she was 95 years old, and it's just such a beautiful thing. I'm gonna give you guys a haul now, and then I think in my next video, I'm gonna take you guys along with me and we'll put all these pieces in the shop and I'll show you how I style them. So let's jump right into the haul. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, this is probably one of my favorite sourcing trips we've been on in a long time, so it was really exciting. It's kicking off the shopping season, so I'm just feeling inspired, and I can't wait to make more content for you guys. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you can join the Braiman Home family and follow us along for booth refreshes, booth remodels, sourcing, interior design tips, and all of that. And yeah, also I did get a mic, so let me know if the sound quality sounds better. I was like kind of playing back and comparing them, and I'm like, wow, like sound quality changes everything when you're watching a video. So comment down below and tell me if it sounds better, if you're enjoying it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.